How to use a steam cleaner. I've mixed up solution and added it into this upper piece from hot water and about a teaspoon of Dawn soap. That's it. This is during COVID, so I didn't have access to normal soap, but you know what? The Dawn is working great. This is a Hoover unit. Now, I won't go into exactly how to load it and clean it and all that stuff, but people often make the mistake of steam cleaning with one of these home machines too fast. So I want to show you about how fast you should be going and a little bit of technique. This is a loud machine, so I'm going to pretend that it's running while I explain it, and then I'll demonstrate. My machine has little spinning brushes and also a water dispenser that's controlled by this trigger here. If I push the machine forward and pull the trigger, it's not sucking up the water that it just sprayed. And that's a benefit. It's important to understand how your machine works in terms of where the water comes out, where the suction is, and so forth. So with this machine, what I like to do is press the handle and then move it forward very slowly. In this case, it sprays the water onto the brushes. And what that's doing is agitating the carpet with the solution. And I move it quite slowly, maybe, this fast. And that saturates the carpet reasonably. It's not soaked, but it does put a decent amount of solution in. And then I stop pressing the trigger, and I very slowly move back. And again, this again gives the brushes a chance to agitate the carpet, and then finally it sucks the solution out. And I find that this works quite well, and it tends to save the solution pretty well, and also suck up the dirt. So let me demonstrate this. So that's the basic technique, and it works quite well. The other technique I want to share is for a spot. So if you've got a little spot on the carpet, let's pretend there's a spot here where this little divot in the carpet is. You can use a technique where you slide the machine, kind of rotate the machine back and forth to give it extra agitation. So what I like to do is hold down the spray trigger for 5 or 10 seconds, and I look at how soaked the carpet is getting, and then I continue to do this agitation technique for a while, depending on how bad that stain is. So let me demonstrate this. Oh, and then of course you suck up the remainder of the solution. Alright, so those are my tricks for how to effectively use a home steam cleaner. The main thing to remember is these home units, they don't have the industrial power. They're not really designed to go very fast. So your best bet to get good performance out of them is to move slowly and be a little bit strategic about how you use the machine. Thanks for watching. Good luck.